Hey Albert, hey track fans, how we doing? Today, top tip, we are going to learn how to change the braids on our cars. It may be simple, but some people get really stuck with it and have asked me if I could do a quick top tips tutorial on it for track fans. So here we go, really easy, really quick tutorial. Car has braids, that's this. You get with each car replacement braids like this. So we're going to go ahead and change them. How do you know if your braids need changing is the question. Well, here's some braids we just took off of a car. As you can see, we'll get in the light for you guys. Oh, it's pretty mangled. Okay, absolutely mangled. So we'll get rid of that. Goodbye. So what we would need to do is take it off of the car. So it's really easy. You see the circle bit here? Hang on. Here, you got to push that forwards and it will click up the front. Pull the front like this and then slide it back and it will come away. Get the new one. There you go. Make sure that these bits that stick up, they face the back of the car. There we go. Let's get that nice and tidy. Then you do exactly the same thing. You push this onto the back part of the clip, push it down, push it forwards over the top, and then it locks into position. There, push it down, locks in, and you're ready to go. That is it. That is as easy as it comes. Let's see if you can do it again. Push, pull it back. And voila, and it's on. Okay, well done track fans. That concludes today's top tip. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.